Dear student, welcome to Khan Kingdom Smart Education online classes. Or chapter number 3, playing with number, exercise 3.3. Question number 4. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following number are divisible by 11. Which of these numbers are divisible by 11? Now, first of all, divisibility by 11, divisibility test of 11. Difference between sum of odd place number and sum of even place number. The difference between sum of odd place number and sum of even place number, difference is 0 or divisible by 11, then number is also divisible by 11. The difference between sum of odd place and sum of even place, the difference between both, answer is 0 or answer can divide by 11, then number is also divided by 11. First of all, there is a 5 4 4 5. This is a number. Position of digits is 1 2 3 and 4. Position of digits is 1 2 3 4. Which are the odd place? 1 and 3 are odd. Even place 2 and 4 place are even place. So first of all, sum of odd place number is equal to odd place 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Sum of even place number, even place 2 and 4. Now the number are 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is equal to 9. Difference between both, 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So 5 4 4 5, difference is 0. Difference is 0, then number is divisible by 11. So the number is divisible by 11. This is our answer. Now I am taking second question from this. B 10824. Sum of odd place number. In odd place 481. 481. 4 8 12 plus 1 13. Sum of even place number. Even place 2 and 0. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. difference between both. 13 minus 2 is 11. The 11 can divide by 11, so number is also divided by 11. So 10824 can divide by 11. This is our answer. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next part. Now the next one is C 713895. Sum of odd place numbers 5, 9, 3, 7. 5 plus 9 plus 3 plus 7. 7, 3, 10, 19, 24. This is over 24. Sum of even place numbers 6, 8, 1. 6, 8, 1. 6, 8, 14, 15. This is 15. Difference between both. 24 minus 15 is 9. The difference is 9. Difference cannot divide by 11, so 713965 cannot divide by 11. First of all, we saw the sum of odd place number. We get 24, and sum of even place number we get 15. The difference between both 24 minus 15 is 9. The difference is 0 or divisible by 11. But here the difference is 9, which cannot divide by 11, so the given number is also cannot divide by 11. This is our answer. Now taking next D 70169308. Sum of odd place number 8360. 8 plus 3 plus 6 plus 0. 8 plus 3, 11 plus 6, 17. Sum of even place numbers 0917. 0917. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 17. Difference between both. 17 minus 17 is 0. If difference is 0 or difference can divide by 11, then number is also divided by 11. Difference is 0, so 70169308 can divide by 11. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next part. Now our next part is E 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 and 1. Sum of odd place numbers 1 0 0 and 0. 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Answer is 1. Sum of even place numbers 0 0 0 and 1. 0 0 0 and 1. Answer is 1. Difference between both 1 minus 1, answer is 0. If the difference is 0 or can divide by 11, the difference is 0. Difference is 0. So 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 can divide by 11. We get sum of odd place number. Odd place is 1 3 5 and 7. 1 0 0 and 0 addition are 1. In even place number, even place is second place, fourth place, sixth place and eighth place. 0 0 0 and 1. Answer is 1. Difference between both 1 minus 1 is 0. Divisibility test of 11 says that if the difference between odd place number and even place number, answer is 0. Difference is 0. Otherwise, the difference can divide by 11, then number is also can divide by 11. So we get 0. So this number can divide by 11. Now taking next question, 901153. Sum of odd place numbers 3 1 0. 3 plus 1 plus 0 is equal to 4. Sum of even place numbers 519 519 15. Difference between both 15 minus 4 is 11. 15 minus 4 is 11. The difference can divide by 11, so number is also divided by 11. Difference can divide by 11, so given number is 9 0 1 1 5 3, also divide by 11. If we subtract 5 minus 15, we get minus 11, but minus 11 can also divide by 11, so the number is also divided by 11. So you do not confuse for plus and minus symbol. If you get minus digit, you can divide by 11. Okay, in this question, if you get minus 11, so minus 11 can also divide by 11. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is question number 5. Write the smallest digits and greatest digit in the blank space of each of following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 3. First of all, divisibility test of 3. What is the divisibility test of 3? Addition of given digit can divide by 3, then number is also divide by 3. We will add these numbers, and by this addition we get a number. The addition can divide by 11, then number is also divided by 11. Question says that this number is already divisible by 3. This number is already divisible by 3. Find the value. First of all, we put x 6, 7, 2, 4. This is our number. Sum of all digits, x plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. Then 2, 4, 6, 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 6, 19, x plus 19. Given number is divisible by 3, so sum of given digit is also divisible by 3. This addition is also divisible by 3. For what value of x? For what value of x the number can divide by 3? When we place 0, the answer is 19. 19 cannot divide by 3. When we place 1, 1 plus 90, 20. 20 cannot divide by 3. X is 2. When we place 2, this is 21. 21 can divide by 3. So there are the numbers. These are the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 0 cannot place, 1 cannot place, 2. Yes, 2 is correct. So 2 is the smallest digit. So smallest digit in a blank space is 2. Now for largest digit we place 9. 9 plus 19. 9 plus 19 is 28. 28 cannot divide. 28 cannot divide by 3. Now we place 8. 8 plus 90. 27. 27 can divide by 3. So 8 is correct. So largest digit in blank space is 8. Now taking another part B, 4, 7, 6, 5, x and 2. In the blank space we placed x. Sum of all digits, 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus x plus 2. 4, 7, 11, 11 plus 6, 17, 17 plus 5, 22, 24, 24 plus x. What the value of x we will use? given number is divisible by 3, so sum of its digits is also divisible by 3. The sum is also divisible by 3. For what value of x? For what value of x the sum is divisible by 3? 24 is divisible by 3. So, at the x we can use 0. 24 plus 0 is answer is 24. 24 can divide by 3. So, first of all the smallest digit is 0. 0 is the correct. So, smallest digit in the blank space is 2. Sorry, blank space is 0. So, largest digit in blank space. What is the largest digit? If I placed 9, 24 plus 9, 24 plus 9 is 33. 33 can divide by 3. So, 9 is correct. So, 9 is correct. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Our next question is question number 6. Write a digit in the blank space of each of following number so that the number formed is divisible by 11. First of all, divisibility test of 11. Difference between sum of odd place number and sum of even place number is difference is 0 or divisible by 11, then given number is also divisible by 11. The difference between sum of odd place and sum of even place, the answer is 0. Difference is 0 or difference can divide by 11, then number is also divided by 11. In this question, the number is already given that this number is divisible by 11. So, we will put in blank space x. For the what value of x, we can divide this number by 11. First of all, sum of odd place numbers. Sum of odd place numbers. 3, 9, 2. 3 plus 9 plus 2. The answer is 3, 9, 12, 2, 14. The answer is 14. Sum of even place numbers. 8x and 9. 8x 9. 8 plus 9. 17 plus x difference between both 17 plus x minus 14. Answer is 3 plus x. For what value of x the number can divide? The number can divide by 11. What will be add to form the number in divisible by 11? So we will put here 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 can divide by 11. So using divisibility test of 11, we will use 8 in blank space. Taking next B, 8x 9484. Sum of odd place number 448. 4 plus 4 plus 8 is 16. Sum of even place number 44x 44x. The answer is 8 plus x. Then 898. Sum of odd place number first, third, fifth 4x. Answer is 8 plus x. Sum of even place numbers 898. This is our 25. Now difference between both. We will subtract larger number and then smaller number. 25 minus 8 minus x. 25 minus 8. The answer is 17 minus x. Now what the number we will subtract in 17? The answer can divide by 11 when we use 6. 17 minus 6 is 11. So we can use 6. So using divisibility test of 11, we will use 6 in blank space. So we will use 6 in blank space. You can take a screenshot of this. We will take another exercise in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.